Hi, I'm Cade.
I'm Denver.
I'm Jared.
I'm Meg.
I'm Boy Toy.
And we're doing the cinnamon challenge with a twist.
We're bringing pictures. Swallow.
If you're gonna spit, spit that way.
Are you guys eating?
Same thing.
He looks at you, he's like, oh god.
He's like, what?
Don't breathe through your nose.
Breathe through your nose.
Let's start meditation, okay?
Good job, Makers.
I win. Fuck. That hurt.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yep. Wait.
Oh, but why? It'll go towards you. Boy Toy be like,
And I'm gonna put a spoonful of this.
What is it, Cade?
This is the cinnamon challenge, but with a little bit of taco seasoning in it. Shit! God. Okay, well, I got a sample of it in my left eye. Fuck!
shoot that way.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
okay.
turn around.
Alright. Hey, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
That was a shitty plan, wasn't it?
Keep going.
Any last word?
Tell my mom to stay away from my Xbox.
Alright. Should we call a doctor?
Yes.
I think you might have inhaled cinnamon.